Magkano nga ba kinikita sa pagiging freelancer? Hi everyone, my name is Tito J and I've been a freelance hiring manager for over 5 years. Save this video at i-share mo na din to sa friend mo para ma-inspire din siya mag-freelance. Comment down below if you have any questions. Sa mundo ng freelancing, may mga factors na makaka-apekto sa magiging job offer sa'yo. So una, yung niche mo. Pangalawa, yung skill level mo. At pangatlo, konting luck na din na makakuha ka ng premium clients. Disclaimer lang, yung rates na babanggitin ko is based from my experience working with US-based clients. At may mga kumpanya mas mababa or mas mataas pa yung binibigay na sahod. So at the bottom of the list are customer service agents and VAs. Yung starting offer nila usually nagre-range between $1,000 to $1,500. Ipapakita lang ako ng screenshot ng isang taong nasa customer service. So assuming na yung exchange rate last month is 55 pesos, itong customer service rep na to ay kumita na mahigit 92,000 pesos sa buwan na yun. So next on the list are creatives such as graphic designers and video editors. Their starting offer usually range from $1,300 to $2,000. And last but not the least, ang pinakamalaking job offer na nakita ko is for web developer or programmers. Their starting salary usually starts at $3,000. So sa freelancing talaga, posible kang kumita na 6 digits monthly as long as you build your skills and stay consistent.